हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A is for apple, crunch, crunch, crunch. B is for banana, peel, peel, peel. C is for cherry, pop, pop, pop. D is for dates, sweet, sweet, sweet. E is for elderberry, yum, yum, yum. F is for fig, bite, bite, bite. G is for grapes, munch, munch, munch. H is for honeydew, cool, cool, cool. I is for ice apple, zip, zip, zip. J is for jackfruit, big, big, big. K is for kiwi, zing, zing, zing. L is for lemon, sour, sour, sour. M is for mango, lick, lick, lick. N is for nectarine, bite, bite, bite. O is for orange, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. P is for papaya, scoop, scoop, scoop. Q is for quince, chew, chew, chew. R is for raspberry, pick, pick, pick. S is for strawberry, dip, dip, dip. T is for tangerine, peel, peel, peel. U is for ugly fruit, taste, taste, taste. V is for Valencia, orange juice, juice. W is for watermelon, slurp, slurp, slurp. X is for zebra, chill, chill, chill. Y is for yellow plum, bite, bite, bite. Z is for zucchini, chop, chop, chop. Sing along the ABCs, fun with fruits, A to Z.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।